Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin G1000 Aviation system. This powerful integrated flight deck revolutionizes how pilots interact with their aircraft, replacing numerous analog gauges with two large, high-resolution digital displays. We'll cover the essential components and functions, helping you understand its core capabilities. This system integrates navigation, communication, and flight information, providing a comprehensive view of your flight environment. Let's dive into the basics of getting started. The primary flight display, or PFD, is your central hub for critical flight data. It clearly shows your airspeed, altitude, and heading, along with a detailed attitude indicator. You'll also find the vertical speed indicator and a horizontal situation indicator, providing a comprehensive view of your aircraft's state. Understanding these elements is crucial for maintaining precise control and situational awareness throughout your flight. Pay close attention to the color-coded information for quick interpretation. Next, we have the multifunction display, or MFD, which offers a wealth of supplementary information. This screen can show detailed moving maps, your active flight plan, and critical engine parameters. You can also access weather overlays, traffic information, and even digital checklists. Its versatility allows you to customize the display to suit your needs, whether you're en route or preparing for an approach. Mastering the MFD enhances your ability to manage the flight efficiently. Finally, let's touch upon flight planning and the autopilot. To plan your route, you'll use the flight management system knobs to input waypoints and procedures. Once your plan is active, the G1000's integrated autopilot can be engaged to maintain precise altitude, heading, or track. Familiarize yourself with modes such as NAV for navigation, Alt for altitude hold, and VS for vertical speed control. This automation significantly reduces pilot workload, especially during longer flights, allowing you to focus on other critical tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.